Good morning. Welcome to Hennin Adventures. My name is Tracy, and this is what I told you I was going to be doing. I am here at the beautiful, beautiful Broad River in Bowling Springs, North Carolina. I'm going to try to catch a little fish. I hope to catch a nice big carp or catfish, but you never know what you're going to pull out of a river. So I'm going to get set up. Hopefully I'll be able to catch some fish. All right, everybody. Oh, look, look, look. I went ahead and moved down here at the pier. That was just too much of a messy spot right there. But this is the most gorgeous spot here at Broad River. I mean, just look at this. And here, this is the little pier they got. See? But I'm gonna try to catch me some fish. So I'm gonna get my line in the water and see what I can do. Man, it's just so nice out here today. Man. It ain't cold. I mean, you know, it's kind of cool. It ain't cold. It's really nice. Oh, I left something in the car. I know I did. I can't believe I done that. I had to stop and get my coffee. I got my line in the water trying to catch them. Might be too early to catch anything out of here, especially off the pier, you know. If I had a little canoe or something out there and get to certain places I can't get to on foot, I probably could, but might be a little bit too early in the year to get anything off this pier, but it's still fun to try. May have something biting at it. Man, I had something there, girl. Got pulled on it. plant, messed my dirt line up.